Hey, Mr. Dubs.
Yeah.
Can I use the bathroom?
Sure. Be careful out there.
Why?
Halloween around the corner.
Okay. I understand.
That's a true friendship.
What was that? Oh my God. Oh my God!
Someone get this man a Band-Aid!
How did we get back here? What the?
Why am I on the floor?
Hello, Braves. You are currently being held hostage. There's 3 games you must complete or else.
Oh my gosh!
Can you help us? We got tied up in here.
Are you guys okay? Please! 20 minutes!
We are now going to play a fun little game I like to call red light, green light. When I say green light, everyone will move forward to the finish line, and when I say red light, everyone must stop, or else. Make your way down for red light, green light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. That was easy. Now make your way back to the studio. Blindfolded.
These look like this feels like stairs. Oh, yeah. Follow my lead. Oh my God.
You want to touch Sarah?
Yeah. Oh, be careful. Maybe it's almost there. Okay, there's no more stairs. Oh, window. Is everyone right here?
Yeah, just keep walking here. Just walk straight. Walk straight. Here's the start.
We made it!
We're here. Lucy, we're here.
Guys, you made it. Alright, that wasn't so bad. Now it's time for trivia. Get the question right, and you're still in. Get it wrong, and you're out. Give me step by step how to change the exposure on a camera.
You go to the lighting setting and then you click brightness and then you turn it up or down on the twisty circle thing on an iPhone. Is that the answer? No.
Oh my God.
What camera does Anchor 1 and 2 look into?
All of them?
What is the size of our video wall?
360 inches by 70 inches.
What is the size we use for our Photoshop?
Size? 1,000 times 1,000.
What is the brand we use for our TVs in the studio?
LG.
No. Dudes, get them.
Where's the killer? Do you know?
He's right here.
Get it wrong, you're done.
Hey, you guys, let's do another take. I didn't like that scream. I didn't like that scream.
Did I do it?
You did it.